Hello everyone. Lucky Kazungu here, and this weekend went home to see how my project is doing, my goat farming project. Yes, and today I'm going to share with you guys the mistakes many people are making, including myself, when it comes to goat farming. And the first mistake is buying the wrong breed. Yes, buying the wrong breed, meaning that each breed of goats survives under its own conditions, or requires several special conditions for them to survive. So before you buy any breed of goat, check the requirements it needs for it to survive. Yes. Then another thing is starting with a large number of goats without a plan. So starting with a large number of goats without a plan. Goats require space. Goats require some special care. So starting with a large number might make you fail terribly. Number 3, tele goat farming. That is, you want to manage goat farming by just making a call. Sometimes it is good because it saves you time, but it's expensive because in case you get someone who is not trustworthy, might cheat on you that the goats are doing well, so you don't have to worry, but on the ground he might be messing up things. Yes, so that is the mistake many people do. I did that mistake when I was starting out, and that made me to lose about 7 goats to one of the person that I entrusted my goats with. Yes. And another thing is introducing new goats, a new breed of goats, without vaccinating them. I made that mistake at that time. I think that is the latest mistake I've made so far, and it has really taught me a lesson. I introduced 4 new, or not 4 but 6 actually, new individuals of goats, and I didn't consider vaccinating them before introducing them to the entire group. So after I introduced them, unfortunately they were sick. They were suffering from lung disease. I don't know how it's scientifically how it's called, but they call it lung disease because they were coughing too much, and immediately one is affected, it takes less than 24 hours and it dies. So before I knew it, I had lost 8 individuals because I introduced new breeds or new goats without vaccinating them. So when deciding to add more goats to your farm, ensure you get them locally from your neighbors and vaccinate them first, because without that, then you'll learn the lesson the hard way, as I did. I think that is for my insight for today, and hoping you've learned something. Do your research and add more points on the same. See you next time. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.